All right. Here's another one from you know who. Trading is dope, and I stay high. So there's another video where I show how getting on a 4 hour candle, you can get a trade. It's 6 4 hour candles, so you could get a at least one good trade a week. I mean, a day in a day. Now I'm going to show you a daily candle, which means in a from Monday to Friday, you should be able to get at least, at the minimum, one trade. At the minimum. So here we go. If we look at when this market closed on the 20 on the 3rd February, you had the high and low. So basically, you seen this market come down here, right? And then on the 4th, you got a retest right here for the sell, this area here. Now, what are you waiting to get in on here? Is either you're going to wait for the in the 25% area or right here at the 50%. This right here gave you the 25% entry and the market sold down. Now, if you come here on the 6th of February, okay, here's the 6th of February, here's your low, here's your high. This candle closed up and you was able to get some buying action here, right? So there were two trades there. Now, moving over here on the 17th of February, you'll see you had a high, low. Basically, what we're waiting on is the market to break above. And you can see here, the market broke above here, and you retest, and it went up. And if you're in on a lower time frames, you may be able to even get even more trades. But I'm just showing just on the daily. Now, here's another one on the 25th February. You had your high here, you had your low here, this green candle here, right? And the market did what? It came down here, right here. This is not closing. You want a close. This is a green candle. Yes, the market was down here, but it ended up coming here, right? And then this red candle was your retest, and the market slowed down. So that's very simple. Go back and back test this, and you will see this works on any asset. Once again, thank you for watching, and it's so simple. Trading is dope, and I stay high.